You want to be an interior designer without necessarily getting a degree? Let's talk about it in today's Train Your Eye exercise. I'm going to tag the designers and contractors behind these beautiful designs in the captions. I love how they do a balance of bold in a very quiet, comfortable, good energy kind of way in their residential designs. I think they're great designs to use for these lessons. We're going to start with our first two basics that we do. We're going to say color temperature and color theory. So for color temperature in this space, tell me on a scale of 1 to 10, put it in the comments. Do you think this is a cool room or a warm room? Give me 1 to 10, 1 being the coolest, 10 being the warmest. Remember, when you give your answer, if you are saying that it's a 7, that means there's only 3 more degrees that we can change things in this room to make it warmer, because 10 is our max. If you're going to tell me this room is a 9, I'm going to say no, because I could change many things in this room to make it even warmer, just 1 degree. The next thing you're going to do is tell me the color theory here, starting with the 5 core colors. Put in the comments the 5 colors you see in this space. I specifically wanted to start with this room. Often, when colors are more basic and muted and there's not a lot of different drastic colors going on, it can be hard to realize that color differentiation can come within the same material. I'm pointing to the wood flooring here. If we're too literal about color, you might just tell me brown, beige, but you can see that there's color variation and color depth layering within one material that's used. This is a very important concept in color theory, in color layering, in layering the depth and the warmth level of a room. So now I'm bringing it back to color temperature. Color layering, color theory done properly. You can use basic colors, not many colors, and by layering even cooler toned colors, you layer them in different degrees of that color, you are creating depth and warmth in a room, even if it's not a warm color. See if you can train your eye and your brain to identify 5 different colors that are in this space. Once you've done that, tell me focal color and the base color of the room. Those of you who are new here and haven't been watching a lot of the Train Your Eye videos, and I have hundreds, the base color of a space is the foundational color of the room. The focal color is the one that pops. The trick that I tell everybody to do is squint. Squint at the room if you're doing this and practicing in person, which you should be, and tell me what color takes over the blur of your vision when you squint. And then tell me what color pops out. You can put these in the comments. If you have not done so already, make sure you do the free interior design personality DNA quiz. Develop this quiz for you as a free tool to help you identify what niche in design and what career path in design fits your personality best. If you want to know why that's so important, well, I've got some videos on that and I talk about it a lot in a few of the lessons in the crash course.